G'day and welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This week I'm going to be doing the last video for my Glamour series. I'm starting this out with a green base and then I'm going to be moving into my ombre. So don't worry, I will come back at some point and add some more Glamour series nail art, but for now I think 4 is enough. So I started out with my very first nail was actually my thumb and I really hated the result. So I stopped filming for a sec, did a couple of practice nails and then came back to it. So this is the sort of result of me trialing and erroring a little bit. I found that focusing on the glitter on the top third of my nail and then using my hands to spread the glitter across my nail, it gave me the best result. It gave me the ability to control where I was putting the glitter, to spread it out really evenly or like have it sort of peel off towards the bottom, and I was also able to get some really small bits of glitter at the very edge of my nail, which is what I was hoping for. So I just used my finger to pull it across. One thing I would do differently next time is definitely use a latex barrier just for the outside. The cleanup was a bit hard, particularly with glitter, but other than that, just make sure you've got some nail polish remover to clean up your fingers afterwards. It is a bit of a messy technique, but it worked and it was easy, so why not? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this series and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you do a glitter ombre or have you done one in the past? And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and keep an eye out for my video in a couple of weeks time of where I explore the topic of what is nail art. Thanks for watching. Bye!